everyone, we're back in the kitchen and tonight we're going to be cooking one of our own creations, aren't we, Teen?
Yes, chili garlic chicken in a tomato and pepper sauce.
Sounds great. So first of all, we'll start off and tell you what's in the recipe. We will be putting all of the ingredients in a list below the video for this one because it's one of our creations, so no copyright issues. So scroll down, look for them below the video and we'll show you what's in there now. We have 2 chicken breasts thinly sliced into strips. We have a red pepper and a green pepper, again cut into strips. We have 200 grams of mushrooms thinly sliced and a large onion sliced up there. We've got a tub of passata there, which I think is about 500 grams.
Yes, it is.
And a large tin of the chopped tomatoes. Some pasta to serve it with, salt, pepper, some rapeseed, a bit of rapeseed oil spray for frying off the chicken in, and we have approximately a tablespoon of chili puree, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and a teaspoon of chili powder. Now, once you've done this recipe, you might want to tweak those to make it a little bit hotter or a bit milder, whatever suits you. It's obviously a very personal thing, isn't it, with chili? So, there you go, guys.
First of all, you put some rapeseed or Frylight into your frying pan, warm it up. I did put that on previously, just added a little bit, and then you add your chicken. And you cook the chicken until it's all nice and brown. From our local butchers, these chicken breasts are quite big, aren't they, Nigel?
They are indeed. Lee Adams certainly does a good chicken breast.
Right, now I'm going to add the tablespoon of chilli paste and mix that in so it will flavour the chicken. Carry on cooking it until the chicken's cooked through. Now I'm going to have a tablespoon of chopped garlic. We cheat and we use lazy garlic, don't we, Nigel?
We do indeed.
Saves having all that messing around. And I'm going to add the chilli powder, which is a teaspoon of chilli powder, but it's up to you what you use. We tend to vary whether we want it a bit hotter or a bit colder, don't we?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to let that cook those flavours in for a couple of minutes. Right, that's all ready to come out. So I'm going to take that out of the pan, put it in a warm dish and start stir frying the vegetables. Right, now to that nice bit of chilli flavoured sauce, I'm going to add the mushrooms, the peppers and the onions.
They're not onions, they're mushrooms.
I put the mushrooms in, the onions in first, called them the mushrooms, but it's got the onions, peppers and mushrooms in there.
There's not mushroom in there.
Boom. In the meantime, I'll have a sip of me gin.
That's what happens when you give the chef gin.
And tonight our flavoured gin is Gordon's gin with a lime cordial and lemonade. How about that then? You've got to have a drink when you're cooking, haven't you, Nigel?
Oh indeed. Keith Floyd would approve. I think he'd prefer his
would.
red
He'd
wine.
prefer red wine, not
gin.
Right, I'm going to cook those up for about 5 minutes. So there you go, that's your mushrooms, your onions and your peppers. Just look at the colour, isn't that lovely? Now I'm going to re-add the chicken back to the pan. And I'm going to have the tin of chopped tomatoes. And a carton of passata. Stir it all up. add some salt, ground black pepper, and some sea salt. And then I'm going to cook that up for 10 minutes. Being a mucky putt tonight. In the meantime, we've got some pasta on the go, and there's 75 grams per person in there, and you do your pasta as per instructions on the packet. The mixture with the chicken and the vegetables will serve 4. Unless you're really hungry, then it's up to you, but there is enough in there. The quantity is enough to serve 4. Right, that's it all cooked now, and the pasta's cooked, and we're going to serve this up into our nice pasta dishes. If you like the look of this recipe, give us a like and a comment, and we would appreciate that.
There you go folks, all dished up, garlic chilli chicken, bit of cheese on top there, low fat cheddar, just 30 grams each. So if you're on Grow, that we are, then you'd have to count the calories in the cheese and a bit of spray oil. If you're following Slimming World, then I suspect you'd get away with the cheese as part of your healthy extra A, and you'd have to sin the bit of Frylight or spray oil at the start. Other than that, everything in there should be free. If you're following other diet plans, I'm afraid you're on your own to work them out. So there you go folks, that's our own recipe there we've made up for garlic chilli chicken served with a tomato sauce and pasta. Hope you have fun making it. Please comment, let us know how you got on with that. Thanks for watching. So it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.
We're off to go and eat our tea now.
Bye.
Bye.